The weirdest thing is I can remember rehearsing the play and you were working in that chorizo van and coming and getting like a chorizo sandwich and you going, oh, how's it going?
Yeah.
And me going, I don't know, I think it's going to be all right, I hope it is.
Yeah.
And then now, for you to, like, be doing it in the West End and then going to do this mammoth world tour, like, how has it been for you since taking over it?
It's just like been a roller coaster. To be honest with you, I don't think I'll realise what's happened until I come back from Australia.
Yeah.
Pan ddoi nôl ar ôl hynny, pwy a wrth, mae'r gobeithio wneud pob ddim anghofio amdana fi'n fan cwpl, lle. Fe rhaid nocio'r drws a dweud, excuse me, o, ni'n arfer bod yn one man, two Guvnors. Dych chi'n cofio na ddech chi'n gweld hwnna? Ddo, damia. Dwi'n gobeithio fedrai atgoffa pob fi'n bodoli pan ddoi nôl.
Good luck for the tour, man. I wish you all the best. It's going to be incredible. It really is. It's nice to see you.
Cheers, big balls.